Guys, good morning. Kopi. I have paratha with egg. I'm eating in the balcony so that I can have sunlight while drinking coffee. I need to go to the hospital today. I need to have check up for my regular check up every 3 months. My hair is so hard to comb. Last night I had hard to sleep. That's why I wake up late because I did not sleep properly last night. Until now, I'm not done drinking coffee. Before I take a bath, I need to eat and drink coffee first. I've tried to comb my hair, but it's hard to comb my hair when I take a bath without combing my hair. As usual, I'm here in the balcony to have sunlight while drinking coffee. The sun is coming with me. Yeah, the sun is in my back. There. The sun is in my back. That's it. Paratha with egg.